Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell phone cases on Printify. First, sign up for your free Printify account, which takes only a few moments to complete. Once inside, navigate directly to their extensive product catalog and choose from a wide selection of phone case types for popular models. Carefully consider which materials and styles best suit your brand vision, ensuring they appeal to your target audience. Next, it is time for design, the heart of your product. Upload your captivating artwork to Printify's user-friendly design tool. You can preview how your designs will look on various phone models, such as an iPhone 13 or a Samsung Galaxy S23. Always check for proper alignment and image resolution to ensure a high-quality finished product. After your designs are ready, connect your Printify account to your chosen online store, like Shopify or Etsy. This seamless integration allows for automatic order fulfillment once a sale occurs. Carefully set your pricing. Consider the Printify production cost, typically between $10 and $15 plus shipping, and add your desired profit, aiming for a healthy 30% or more. To drive sales, actively market your phone cases on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, showcasing their unique designs and protective features. Consider offering special launch discounts or bundles to attract early customers. Remember, providing excellent customer service, with clear communication and fast responses, builds trust and encourages repeat purchases, fostering long-term business growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.